Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abandoned. 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 The word abandoned is an adjective that describes something that has been left behind, deserted, or no longer in use or cared for. It often implies a sense of neglect or disregard. Here are a few examples of how you could use abandoned in sentences. 1. The old mansion at the end of the street is eerie. With its broken windows and overgrown garden, it looks completely abandoned. 2. The abandoned factory had become a haven for graffiti artists and urban explorers. 3. The once thriving village was now a ghost town, its streets lined with abandoned houses and empty storefronts. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.